So hey friends, so this spring my daughter decided to try her hand at gardening, so she started a garden out behind our house. So then she ended up going to Colorado for work, and Vicki and I have been taking care of the garden. We've gotten tons of food out of this garden this year. Lots of zucchini earlier in the year, then the corn was ready, and now it's cantaloupes and okra. Well, we noticed that we started getting some of these, what they're called army worms, in the cantaloupe. So we've been trying to save as many of them as we can, but some of them were just munched. Well, then came something getting into those cantaloupes and just tearing them apart and having dinner. So we decided to put the GoPro out in the garden at night with a Luci light hanging over it and to see what is out there. So I thought I would share with you the wildlife abounding here right in the middle of the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. So I hope you enjoyed this little clip from the garden, and thank you guys for watching. I do appreciate it. Y'all stay lost, my friends. Be careful where you step in the garden. You don't know what's out there.